Welcome to Public Speaking Training for Beginners. Today's all about stories. Here's what's very important when you are starting out, and generally as a speaker, even when you become established, is your ability to tell captivating, enrolling, engaging, emotive stories. Why do we do that? It doesn't matter what sector of speaking you're going into. What does matter is the stories you choose. So you've got to plan the appropriate stories to use in your presentation. And what's important when you are telling those stories is that they enroll the audience, is they put the audience and they make them the hero of the story, regardless of the story you're telling. Even if you're telling your personal story, you still need to enroll the audience into being the hero of your personal story. So they're sitting there going through the whole journey with you. They're feeling you, they're hearing you, they're going through every experience you had together. And it's always designed to empower the audience. So there's various types of stories you could plan. There's your brand story, there's your personal story, there's your business story, there's your success stories, there's your vision and mission stories. All of those are really important when it comes to using speaking. When you're presenting, plan the story. Again, I've said this time and time again in other videos. What event are you speaking at? Who's the audience? Who's the audience that you want to attract to potentially work with you as well? What's the outcome you want for the audience, and what's the outcome you want for you? Only choose stories that help magnify you as a presenter, that help elevate you as a presenter. Don't tell a story that it's a mismatch, that doesn't quite work, that even you're really good at telling that story, but it doesn't work in that presentation. Then don't tell that story. Tell the story that's appropriate, that's right, that works for the audience you're speaking in front of. For a lot of people, if you're in the inspirational, motivational space, it's your personal story. In the business setting, often it's your business story mixed with your personal story. It really does depend what it is you want for your audience and the outcome you want for your audience. So plan your story, pick your story, and tell your story in a way that's memorable, because people will remember how you made them feel, not what you had to say. This has been Public Speaking Training for Beginners. Till the next video.